Test. Okay. Hello and welcome back. I don't know if you noticed this or not, but I've made some adjustments to the streaming uh, setup in OBS, so you probably aren't going to see me moving windows around anymore like that. Yeah, you probably didn't even notice that I did that. I basically minimized everything and then opened it back up. Yeah. So hopefully, actually, that might be a problem if I switch to another. If I switch over to Blender and I forget to switch the view over to Blender. But yeah, this at the very least will be less intrusive. You won't see you won't see like the window borders anymore. You won't see my taskbar. You won't see a bunch of other stuff that it's not so much that I don't want you to see. It's more like I don't know. It just feels unprofessional for you to be seeing like window borders and stuff when the focus should be on the work and hopefully interacting with the viewers if I get viewers, that is. Okay, so let's get back to what we were doing. I believe yesterday. So yesterday, oh, this is already open. Oh, wrong scene. So yeah, yesterday we were working on this scene. This is a level that I've been calling River Passage. It's kind of a working name right now. It's called River Passage because it's a passage between this level and a forest level, and there happens to be a river in the level. But I actually got a little bit sidetracked yesterday. I was trying to set up some scripting for this little goober, and I found that if I delete this guy, it causes some error messages to appear in the console. Technically, I could probably ignore them. Well, this is something that I already fixed. I'm just kind of just going over what I already did. Technically, I could probably ignore those errors, but I don't like the idea of littering my console output with errors. And I've heard on the internet that those are unacceptable in a actual build release, and they actually cause crashes in build releases, even if they don't cause crashes in the editor. So yeah, I'm going to try to eliminate console errors as much as I possibly can. I don't see any right now. These don't count. These are weird editor things. When I say like console errors, I mean like I run the game. Oh, actually, I'm not sure if you're going to see this or not. Hold on a second. I'm gonna check my OBS. Yeah, you guys don't see that. That's a bit of a problem. So I'm actually running the game right now, and hold on a sec. Yeah, this is what I'm seeing. So this is ideal. 0 errors. And the game runs. Brilliant. I just have to keep. That just means that I have to keep working on continuing progress. But anyways, I'm rambling a bit much. But my point is that yesterday there was an error that was appearing whenever this guy gets deleted, and now there isn't. Just gonna re-enable that just to prove it. So the reason this guy gets deleted is because this guy is only supposed to exist when a certain quest is active, and so this check quest node activates on ready it checks to see if this quest has been unlocked, and if it's undiscovered or complete, then it deletes this guy. Otherwise, it does not delete him, and he just goes through his little routine where he follows a series of points, and you have to follow him, or else he will stop moving. So that was what got me. So fixing that was what got me sidetracked. Oh yeah, so that this delete thing was what was causing errors. Just gonna quickly demonstrate that it isn't causing errors anymore. Yeah, so he got deleted and 0 errors. Proof that my efforts were not in vain. Now let's get back to actually making progress in this little quest sequence thing. So I want to make it so that if you talk to this guy, then, well, you can't talk to him. He's kind of supposed to be just there to follow, but he can talk to you. So I'm going to, hold on a second. Okay, just some silly phone notification. What if I can fix that on here? I don't want to use this display capture. I want to use window capture like this because it looks more professional. But then if I start playing the game, you can't see it. So I guess I'll have to try adding that in. I've run into problems with that. You know what, I'll just leave it on display capture. Less problems that way. It just doesn't look as good because you can see my taskbar and you can see the well, you can see the Mozilla Firefox, you can see all this stuff. Yeah. Anyways, enough dilly-dallying. So how do I make it so that this guy can't be talked to? Okay, I'll try adding. I might have to add some stuff to the interactable object. The interactable object is a area that when the player is like in the area and you press A, it'll execute some code, basically. And it'll also display some sort of text prompt on the A button. This has been in the game for a long time. I think I might have to add some additional functionality to it. It's probably going to be pretty easy, actually. Can be connected with equals true. And if can be interacted with, I wonder if that's going to be enough. It might not be enough because I think that actually some of the code for interaction is on the interactor object. So that could be a bit of a problem. I'm just going to check and see if it works anyways. Wait, no. Hold on. Can't do that quite. I can't do that just yet. To uncheck this and then run it. Oh, right. Oh. I should fix this too. I'll do that afterwards. Yeah. Hold on a second. I have to use the loo. Be right back. Hello, I am back for my little potty break. Now, where were we? Ah, yes. Try to make it so that the actual interaction functionality can be turned off in some way. So I think I'll keep this here just because. But also, I'm going to add it to the root as well. If is interacting, if is not interacting, and interactable dot can be interacted with. Interactable available. Interactable. Must have written this a long time ago because I don't think I even knew about the is keyword back then. Now I know, but yeah, this makes things a lot easier to understand for, well, me, the person making the person who's working on the project. Okay, if can be interacted with. There's absolutely a better way of doing this, but I'm not in the mood to rewrite it. Okay, I think that ought to do it. Let's see if this does what I want to do. Okay, it seems to work. I can't talk to him, and that is exactly what I want. I want to not be able to talk to this guy. Yay. Progress. Very good. Okay, next order of business. What is the next order of business? Hold on a sec. Need to check something out. So this is where the player spawns at when he enters the scene from over there. This is where the camera spawns at. These are entrance points. So earlier there was this minor issue where the player was kind of spawning over here instead of over here, a little bit far ahead, and well, that had the drawback of starting in front of this guy, which is not a huge deal, but it's not something that I want to be in the final product. So I changed it literally just now. You watched it happen. So next, I want this guy to talk to you, the player. If you try to go back while the quest is active, he will stop you and say, "Hey, where you going? I want you to follow me. Not that way." I want the same thing to happen if you try to go this way, and also this way. And last but not least, that away. And I think a good way to do that is to have this guy okay, to start off with, wait, where's that? Is there a node here that's just called node? That doesn't seem like it. Well, you know what I should do? Oh, it's much better. Can't believe I didn't think of that before. So, everything in this quest is going to be under this node, which will delete itself if the quest is not active. Okay. And also under here, I will place an area node. It's all the way over there. Over here. It's a good spot. Oh, there's the map. It shows up on the bottom right of the screen and is protected. Well, it's captured by a camera that basically points down. Okay, this area. Out of bounds for quest or quest. Wrong way. On player enter. Wait a minute. I have this here. Wrong way. Server action. Text. Oh, whoops. User continue. Yes. Wrong way. Now go to the translation CSV file. The translation CSV file. Thank you. You know what I should do? I should make this into an actual Excel file and then export it as a CSV file. You make it so that these, hold on, select the whole row, text, there we go, much better. Hey, that's not the right way. Or not that way. This way. Wrong way. 2. Huh? Where are you going? Let's add a third one just to be sure. A 3. Just give ourselves a little bit more choices. Not that way. Save and export as. Will this work? Is this even gonna work? I think so. I think so. It should. Okay. If I open this. Okay, good. It's all working the way it should, I think. Make this wrong way 1. Hold on. Wrong way text 1. Play text 3. Wrong way into action. Actually, you could probably move it outside of this. Bait, random child. Should be 3. This one should be 2. Disable movement on start. Yes. Runway random text. I almost wrote wrong way. The children. Hijack. Hijack. So the idea is that when the player the idea is that when this text appears, the camera should move up to this guy and basically imply that he's the one talking to the player. That makes sense. And I have a script for hijacking the camera like that. So it shouldn't be too complicated for me to implement because it's technically stuff that I've already implemented. A target, camera look at a target. I think that might be good. But I might have to set this too. I forget how exactly the script works, and I don't feel like looking at it, so I'm just gonna keep working and hope that it works fine. Hope that it all works out. Actually, I'm gonna move this out here. Actually, the problem is if I use this, it's gonna look at his feet instead of his face. So let's select a target. Because this is about where his head is. By the way, what do you think of this model? I made it like a few years ago. I'm pretty proud of it. It's low poly, low res textures. I think it looks pretty good. Okay, so I'm gonna add some functionality to this. Use node paths. All on body on player on activate. I don't think that's the best name for this. Yeah, whatever. Call on player entered. Worked. Hold on. Can I do this? Oh, I can. Nice. I always forgot I could do that. Yeah, there we go. Got both of them. Just leave myself a little bit of typing, eh? Very, very nice. Okay. If use node paths and all on player entered not equal to the node node equals hits node all player entered if n is activatable a equals active equals n as an activatable then a activate. Let's do exactly the same thing for this. Why did I call this deactivate? It's kind of a dumb name. Doesn't make a whole lot of sense. Oh well. Oh well. N node all player exited if n is activatable a equals okay. It builds. So call on player enter. Let's give this a quick test. See? Yes, you can. Well, it kind of works, but not really. That's well, the concept of it works, but not quite. Get child index p equals 1 is out of bounds? Wait a minute. Oh, okay, when does that error appear? Does it appear now? Nope. Does it appear... Okay. Makes sense. Plays it shows when it does the on player exited. But hold on a second. Use child nodes is false right now, right? Yeah, it's false. So what the heck? Shouldn't be calling it at all. Oh, I see the problem. It should be front. See, that fixes it. No, it doesn't. Okay, what if I use a double ampersand? Alright. Hmm. There's also a bug with the text. It's not grabbing the translation. Hmm. Let's check the actual thing. One. Huh. What's going on? Something funky's going on here. Yeah, it's got the TR thing. So why isn't it So why is it activating the translation? I still don't understand why this isn't working. Uh, yeah, man, I don't get it. The import? Unicode error invalid skip? What? Okay, let's see what Google says about that. Wonder if that's the cause of the problem. GODOT unchained code error valid skip. Maybe even save. Maybe I'm just saving it wrong. Yeah, maybe it's like a maybe it's literally just like a text um encoding error. Is there a way for it to comment CSV? Does that fix it? Clear the import. Okay, I'm not getting the same errors before. Hey! Oh, that's one problem down. So, problem number 2, the player animation. Scene. I know for a fact that I have something that stops the player in his tracks in this particular script. Hmm. Guess not. Okay, what about this one? Nope, nothing there. Hmm. Or start interaction with. Wait, no, no, no. How did I do that here? Pressure plate. It's not here. It's right here. think. Quick cutscene. Weird. Somehow I turned. Yeah, I don't get it. Yeah, let's try this, I guess. And it kind of works. Okay. So apparently I don't have to disable the player character at all, just the movement. Good to know. To know. Okay. Next, I need to make it so that the camera actually gets hijacked, because apparently it's not working. Oh, so both these have to be valid. All right. Let's try it out. It's not working. Smooth. So weird. I thought this was working. I thought that node was working. Nope, apparently not. But why not? Hmm. I don't think it's gonna fix anything, but I mean, whatever. Oh, am I activating the right thing? Nope. Wow, I wonder if that's gonna... Yeah, let's see if that fixes it. Not that way, this way. Um... Okay. It's like, so, it kind of worked, but then it didn't release the camera when it was done. So, okay. Finish. Okay. I think that's the right node. I mean, the right script. Let's give it a shot. Yeah, it's clearly glitching out a bit, his AI, but, I mean, at least the camera is released. Alright then. Well, I think that's enough for today. So I got a I got this wrong way interaction working. While I'm here, I might as well make duplicates of this and move them to the other spots. Another one for over here. And one more for the road. Literally, the road. Here. Okay. That's all for today. See you tomorrow, hopefully. If I'm able to stream then. Um yeah, goodbye. See you next time.